Hi and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make a powerful hair mask with just 2 ingredients which will guarantee stronger, longer and healthy hair. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and turn on your notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a video. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. So you'll be needing fenugreek seeds or fenugreek powder. Here I use the powder, as you can see. This is what it looks like inside, just like the way golden morn will look like, but it's not the same as golden morn. Then you'll be needing cloves. I'll be using these cloves to make clove tea, which I'll mix with the fenugreek, and this is what the cloves look like. So let's get started on the mixture. So I bring in a teacup. Don't need much water for this, so I'll scoop in 3 tablespoons of cloves into the teacup. After I've scooped up 3 tablespoons of cloves into the teacup, I go ahead and then I take in hot water. This is to let it sit. I add water to the cup and allow it to sit over to the next day in order to allow the seeds release their nutrients into this water. Trust me guys, you want to allow it sit for at least a day in order to get its healthy benefits from clove. So this is the next day and this is what the tea is looking like. I call it tea because some people drink clove tea. So I'll go ahead and filter my tea into this container right now. And when I'm done filtering, this is what it looks like in the cup. The cloves are properly infused, and then I'll go ahead and clean my work surface because some of the tea spilled out, so I'll clean it up. And then I'll bring in my bowl filled with my fenugreek seeds, and then I'll go in and add this clove water gently in order to make a paste. So guys, you want to be careful with fenugreek seeds or even the powder. Fenugreek tends to rise a lot, so a little goes a long way. In here, I forgot to tell you the measurement. I added in 3 tablespoons of fenugreek, and as you can see, it's already thick, and you can see it's even rising even as I added more of the clove water to this mixture. So just sit back and watch how I properly mix them together so that they infuse properly together. So I've added all the water and this is what it looks like right now. It's looking a little bit thick, but by the time I applied it to my hair, it was thicker than this. It's looking lighter right now. So let's get into applying it. So my hair is fully washed. I just finished shampooing my hair and this is my scalp neat. So I'll just go ahead and put the rest of the twist which I add into a bun, and then I'll start working on one section. So this is me and this is the paste, the hair mask. You can see it's very thick. It looks different from what we had earlier on. So I'll go ahead and continue unraveling my twists. Guys, if you've watched up to this point, please give this video a thumbs up, like, subscribe and share with friends and families. So right now I'm applying the fenugreek clove paste to the hair, and guys, you can see my hair is beginning to have those coils, which is signatory of the fenugreek powder. Fenugreek helps in enhancing your coils, and that's why I like using this mixture. So as you can see, I'm applying it from the roots to the tip. I'm allowing my hair to be properly soaked with this conditioner in order to allow it to work very well. So I'm going to go ahead and repeat this same thing on this other 2 sections. So while you're washing, I'll be telling you the benefits of fenugreek. Fenugreek is a good source of vitamin A, B, C, and K. It's also a very good source of protein, iron, calcium, folic acid, phosphate, and potassium. Fenugreek has powerful antifungal and anti-inflammatory properties which promote stronger hair growth. It also prevents hair shedding and also fights dandruff. It has shine, and lastly it helps to define the hair coils. Yes, fenugreek helps to define the coil pattern of your hair when used in any recipe. As you can see, my coils are definitely popping. You can see that right there. My coils are coming together. My hair is becoming more coily, and this is what it looks like. So I'll go ahead and do this same procedure on the other side, and I'll come back and show you. So this is what the hair looks like after applying the fenugreek and clove mixture. As you can see, the coils are popping. My hair feels soft. My hair looks shiny even before washing. Guys, trust me, you will want to try this out. So next thing I'm going to do now is to put on a plastic bag and let it to sit for about 15 minutes, and I'll come back and wash it off, and I'll show you what it looks like. So this is 30 minutes later. This is the first wash, and you can see my hair is coily. The coils are definitely popping. My hair feels soft, it feels more thicker, it feels more strengthened. This is because of cloves helps to clean, soothe the scalp, and also help strengthen the hair. And this is the final look, guys. Second wash, guys, you have to be careful to make sure you wash the marks carefully out of the hair. And this is the final look, guys. I love using this. Try this hair mask and come back and show me your results. I'll be waiting for your comments on how you apply this mask. Trust me, guys, this mask is so good. And without further ado, this is it for today. Bye. Please give this video a thumbs up, like. See you in my next video. Bye.